How to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, can be purchased through various platforms. Buying Bitcoin is relatively straightforward, but it requires careful consideration regarding security, payment methods, and storage options. 1. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges act as marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, user-friendly interface for beginners. Binance offers advanced trading options and low fees. Kraken, known for its strong security features. Gemini, regulated in the US with insurance coverage for digital assets. 2. Create and verify your account. Most reputable exchanges require identity verification, KYC, know your customer, to comply with regulations. You'll need to provide personal details, name, address, date of birth. Government-issued ID, like passport or driver's license. Proof of address, utility bill, or bank statement. Verification may take a few minutes to a few days, depending on the platform. 3. Deposit funds into your account. Exchanges offer multiple payment methods to fund your account. Bank transfer, ACH or SEPA, low fees but slower processing. Debit on credit card, immediate deposits but higher fees. PayPal, available on certain platforms like Coinbase. Wire transfer, suitable for larger purchases but slower than card payments. 4th, place an order for Bitcoin. After funding your account, you can buy Bitcoin by selecting one of the following order types. Market order buys Bitcoin at the current market price, fast and straightforward. Limit order sets a specific price to buy Bitcoin. You'll only buy when Bitcoin hits that price. Recurring buy automates Bitcoin purchases on a regular schedule, ideal for dollar cost averaging. 5. Securely store your Bitcoin. Storing Bitcoin securely is crucial to avoid theft or loss. There are several storage options. Exchange wallet, convenient but less secure if the platform is compromised. Hot wallet, software wallet, connected to the internet, suitable for frequent transactions, AEG, MetaMask, or Trust wallet. Cold wallet, hardware wallet, offline storage, the most secure method for long-term holdings, AEG, Ledger, or Trezor. 6. Understand fees and costs. Buying Bitcoin comes with various fees, including trading fees, typically 0.1% to 2% per transaction, depending on the platform. Deposit fees. Some exchanges charge for deposits, particularly for card payments. Withdrawal fees. Fees apply when transferring Bitcoin to an external wallet. 7. Consider regulations and tax implications. Bitcoin transactions may be subject to regulations depending on your location. In many countries, including the US, Bitcoin is considered property, and capital gains taxes apply when you sell or spend it. It's advisable to track your transactions for tax reporting. Consult with a tax professional if needed. 8. Stay informed and vigilant. The cryptocurrency market is volatile and susceptible to scams. To protect yourself, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on exchange accounts. Use strong, unique passwords for each platform. Avoid sharing private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Buying Bitcoin requires a combination of careful research, secure practices, and ongoing market awareness. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate your Bitcoin purchase and storage journey.